There was a safe harbor formed in the third floor classroom in the storm of my old high school. A place for anyone who built bomb shelters with broken sentences and liked to dance between letters like the latest hit record. There was a sense of belonging, found in a little bar off the corner of Bathurst and Bloor, a place where walls came down at the drop of a mic on a little stage with big voices. There was a room that saw fears and heartbreak, that watched my black hair and pale skin turn slowly into brown and blonde curls and saw color creep into my cheeks like a rising sun again. A room that saw me grow into a leader, an activist, a poet, and a girl who laughed and actually meant it sometimes. There was a stronger woman, formed with tears and ink and words, who found her voice again here. There was a home, formed from a lack of judgment, the need to create, and the kind words of a teacher. There was this man who taught about the past and lived for the here and now, and I've never had the courage to thank him for reminding me that I could have a future. He saved my life in the smallest of ways that made the biggest difference. There is a place for your poems here. The poems about pride and Pokemon, heartbreak and happiness, about scars, bars, and dinosaur oatmeal. Yeah. There is a light here. You will realize that leaving this place is like leaving home. You will pack up your poems and your hopes, and you will walk out, and you will look behind to see new faces, and I can tell you that it's like discovering your favorite series has just gained another book. To the newest cast of our misshapen musical, the people in this room will have your back like a favorite t-shirt, even if you grow up and grow out of this building. This teacher will change your life like he changed mine and my closest friends. The words that you write here might not be your greatest work, but if you keep writing, you will find that you can rearrange the alphabet into the Mona Lisa just by stringing words together in a way that makes sense to you. You might not know where you're going for sure, but you're never going to forget where you came from. There was a family formed on a small park bench outside of a hospital. We've got a fairy squad mother, we've got mom, we've got dad and daddy, we've got the fun aunt who visits on holidays, you're welcome. We've got lemon squares, we've got fire rhymes, we've only got 5 cents, but they're the most valuable 5 goddamn cents. I love you guys.